I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of my Clarisonic with you guys. I got the Mia Prima Clarisonic. It is a sonic cleansing face brush. Let's just open it up. So as soon as you open it up, it has like this little booklet thingy. It's like a quick start guide. It looks like this here. It kind of shows you the brush, and if you open it up, it has like all the information about the Mia Prima Clarisonic. It tells you about what's all included in the package. It tells you how everything works and what all the buttons and features do. How to care for your device, how to charge your device, all that good stuff. And then on the back of that quick start guide, it also shows you in detail, like picture form, how to use the Clarisonic and how to clean your face properly with it. Okay, so it does come with the little white charger cord. It does not come with the little base part to plug in the wall though, which I think is weird. I'm like, why would you give me a charger cord with no base part to plug it in? So I had to literally charge mine on my iPhone charger, like use the base part. It has one of the, this is the Clarisonic. It comes with a little travel cap. It has like the, like a Samsung Galaxy type of charger or something, like the little thin USB charger. And it does have the little flat parts to cover the charger up. And one thing I noticed about this, I thought like a Clarisonic, like that it spins to clean your face, but this one, it doesn't, to me, it doesn't look like it spins. It looks like it kind of vibrates. Let me get closer. I don't see anything like really spinning, and maybe it is spinning. I don't know. Maybe it's spinning so fast that I can't even see it. But to me, it doesn't look like it's spinning. But once you press this button here, this is the on/off button. It lights up when it's on. Not sure if you guys can see it. And then when you turn it off, it kind of like lights up a little bit and then turns off. Yeah, but it has, you can replace the head part, like the bristles and stuff. You can take that off and when it gets old, and you can replace that. And I have used it a few times. I'm not gonna lie, I use it a lot because I've had it for like a month. I've been trying to do this unboxing for like a month and a half. But it seems to get my face really clean. And I like to, when I use it, I like to use upward strokes because, you know, as we get older, our skin starts to fall downward. And I feel like if I brush it and pull and tighten my skin upward, it'll keep my skin like upward, you know, lifted. But that's just what I think is going on. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's how I feel. But anyway, so guys, this spin brush is $99. I got it at, I think Sephora. Was that Sephora? Yeah, Sephora. Bought it at Sephora. It was $99. I was using like a Vivitar $10 facial cleanse spin brush for like the last year, and that seemed to be doing fine for me. But honestly, I don't really see like what's the difference. I really don't. I'm just gonna be honest. Like, would I spend $100 again? Probably not. But it is a really nice spin brush. Again, I don't think it's really spinning. Looks maybe, I don't know. But anyway, guys, that is wrapping up everything today. That is my Clarisonic. And if you guys have used this Clarisonic before, drop in the comments like your comments on this Clarisonic. How do you like it? Is it worth $99? And do you think these bristles are really spinning, or is it just vibrating? And do you feel like your skin is actually getting cleaner using this thing versus like a regular $10 spin brush, or just like a washcloth on your face. Leave that in the comments below and let me know what you think about this brush. All right, guys, I will see you next time on my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Oh, and I got a henna tattoo. Y'all like that? Yes. All right, bye, guys.